Little storyteller.
Lily and Leo, twins with bright smiles and even brighter backpacks, zoomed their little time machine to a sunny meadow filled with giant, gentle brachiosauruses. The dinosaurs munched happily on tall, leafy trees. "Wow!" whispered Lily, her eyes wide. Leo held up a small wooden calendar and a bag of colorful pebbles. "Time to teach," he said with a grin. Lily gently tapped a brachiosaurus on its long, scaly leg. "Hello," she chirped. The dinosaur blinked its big brown eyes. Leo laid out 7 green pebbles in a row. "This is a week," he explained slowly. "1 pebble for each sunny day." The brachiosaurus tilted its head, looking confused. It seemed more interested in a bright red butterfly fluttering by. Lily gathered 4 rows of pebbles. Green, then blue, then yellow, then pink. 4 weeks make a month, she said, pointing to each row. The brachiosaurus nudged the pink pebbles with its nose. It seemed to understand pretty colors better than weeks. Another brachiosaurus yawned a big, sleepy yawn. "Sleepy time," it rumbled softly. Suddenly one of the brachiosauruses stomped its foot excitedly and pointed its long neck towards a patch of juicy green ferns. "Hungry time," it trumpeted happily. Lily and Leo looked at each other. Maybe the dinosaurs understood hungry time and sleepy time best. Leo had an idea. He arranged the green pebbles in a circle around a big, tasty fern. "See, 7 sunny days until more yummy ferns grow here." The brachiosaurus's eyes lit up. It nudged the pebbles with its snout, then happily munched on the fern. Lily giggled. They understand fern time. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in warm orange and pink colors, the brachiosauruses lay down for their sleepy time near the colorful pebble circles. Lily smiled. "They may not know weeks and months," she said, "but they learned that things happen again and again." Leo nodded. "Just like the sun goes up and the sun goes down. That's a kind of calendar, too." Back in their time machine, Lily and Leo waved goodbye to the sleeping giants. "It was fun teaching the dinosaurs," said Lily. Leo added, "And we learned that even big creatures need time to understand new things. Being patient and finding a way that makes sense to them is important."
Please subscribe. Thank you.